It's never been easier than today to become a multi-millionaire. There are tons of examples right now from multi-million-dollar brands that have established a very credible brand and have sold it even for multi-million dollars. In some cases, even up to 100 million or more. For example, Movement Watches, Blendjet, or Hismileteeth. All these three brands have originated from dropshipping and are now making multiple 8 figures per month, and some cases even 9 figures per year. And even from college students going from broke to rich in very few months, maybe even years, and it's never been easier than right now.
Because you boys only launched your business in 2014, December, right?
Yeah, December 2014.
We're aiming for about 60 million this year.
Movement Watches started from selling watches, from typical AliExpress dropshipping, started marketing their products as a little bit of a low ticket type watch, and now actually went ahead and sold their company after I think just being 6 years in business for $100 million. Here even an article states that this brand, Movement Watches, went from being basically broke to $90 million in revenue in just 5 years. And I mean, sure, that's not all profit, but I'm sure he came away with a good stake and share of money. And also, if we take a look at Blendjet, a typical portable blender for everyday use, has been marketed from a different marketing angle, and their main brand ambassador, a huge fitness influencer, Jen Selter, being their main brand representative, have done a great job of also marketing and bringing this small little original dropshipping store to a multi-million-dollar brand. And then you also got two big dogs that have went from basically nothing and pretty much made one of the biggest teeth whitening brands worldwide, probably even the biggest, maybe besides Snow. And now they're working with some of the biggest social media names and influencers out there, Kylie Jenner and Kendall Jenner, just to name two. And it's crazy to think that they only started a few years ago selling these exact teeth whitening kits, changed them up a little bit, put a brand spin on it, and now they are very successful. And now both of them have both blue check marks on Instagram, have a few thousand followers, definitely a few millions on the bank account, and I think life is good for them. And I know most of my channel is about dropshipping, and by the way, hi, Vilius, Dainora, my name, if you're new to the channel. And I mean, the majority of the content that I do is dropshipping, but this is ideally where we would want to end up in. So we want to go from dropshipping to brand building and hopefully selling our company for multi-millions of dollars. At least that's what I would like to do. I mean, I think a lot of you guys would as well. But how can we actually reach this spot? How can we end up in the position that they currently are? So I really thought about this and I decided to take a look for myself. So I went ahead on Hismileteeth. I was curious anyways, my teeth aren't as white and they could need some improving. So I went ahead on their site, browsed a little bit, also picked up the upsell, and I ordered the product for myself. I wanted to see how it is from the customer's perspective to actually order from a well-established brand that used to be a dropshipping site, what we can learn from them, and how we can start adapting these small things to our own Shopify store. So actually, let's fast forward it when I actually received the package, since I already ordered it.
A few inches later.
It arrived. As you guys can see, it just arrived. Looks pretty cool. Took a little bit less than a week from UK to actually Germany. They have a few warehouses across the world, and you can see some custom packaging already going on with this package, so that's already pretty impressive. Not a lot of companies go out of their way to do that. Almost Amazon-like, but that's already a good step in that direction towards branding. So let's actually take a more precise look at the packaging. Let's see what they do. Okay, so time for some vlogging. Never done this before, never done this type of video angle. So it's gonna be pretty crappy. Sorry about that. You got some custom branding right here. You got the Hismile going on, the extra, you know, tape type thing. We'll take a look inside this package right now. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit tricky. One-handed knife games, don't do this at home. So you got the bill right here, not showing that, that's my address. But what you got right here is super awesome. You got Hismile branded in right there. Super awesome packaging. Sorry for the lighting, by the way. And they've done a fantastic job. Looks almost like Apple's packaging. So very cool. What we want to aim for is like real cool branding. Thank you on the bottom. Super awesome. The toothpaste that was a little bit of an upsell. Day and night toothpaste. Awesome packaging. They've done a fantastic job. So a lot we can learn through here. And this is the box. Thank you, Hismile. Super clean. Take a look at the actual packaging. It's a lot like Apple, very clean look. You also got an explanation on the back, and they're very congruent with the brand colors. Everything looks super clean, super awesome. So let's actually take a look at the package inside. The day and night toothpaste. Little card right here says day. You probably can't see it, but this is super cool, super clean. How to open it, one-handed. Man, unpackaging is hard. But Looks super awesome, super cool. Custom branding on all of this. So a lot that we can learn on this. You see Hismile right here, Hismile right there. And I think what they do a fantastic job of is creating a experience for the customer, the consumer that actually buys this product. And that's what we want to aim and strive for with our brand ideally. Wait. You guys didn't think that I was gonna leave you guys empty-handed without a single giveaway in this video. Nah, you guys were wrong. In this video, we're not gonna be giving away a normal consulting call, not a store, but actually $50 in PayPal credit. So I'm gonna send you guys $50 PayPal. All you guys have to do to be entered in today's giveaway to win $50 in PayPal credit, you guys know you want it. All you guys have to do is like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's continue the video. So now that we've actually taken a look at the custom packaging, let's actually dive into their website, their Facebook ads, and also their Instagram, their social medias to see what they're doing right and what we can learn from such big brands as Hismileteeth. So the main elements that I've noticed from their website alone, so from Hismileteeth, they have lots of different regions. They have regional stores for all the different regions. So Australia, EU, probably Asia, USA, Canada. That's clearly distinguishable. I'm from EU, so it's going to be EU. Free shipping is only available over 60 euros. And the majority of the products don't achieve a average order value of 60 euros. So this is their way of increasing their average order value. That's pretty cool. A lot of normal dropshipping stores do this as well. You got reviews, results, shipping, and FAQs. Lots of different things you can take a look at. Shop products, teeth whitening kit, gift sets, and subscriptions. So very clear navigation bar, super simple for the consumer to navigate, making things and life a lot easier for the actual consumer. Super clean picture, a wider bright smile, fits very well with the store, very congruent, white background, pink. You got all these news outlets that I think actually for once a store did feature them. So Vogue, GQ, BuzzFeed, etc. Super clean photos, awesome website. You got fantastic reviews, so very good at social proof with the help of Trustpilot. You can't fake reviews such as with Luke's or other dropshipping review apps. So Trustpilot, only legitimate purchasers, verified purchasers, adding to additional social proof. So that's a pretty huge benefit. Learn more about the kit. There's nothing better, especially for these type of products, than actual results. So actual testimonials, how the teeth were before, how the teeth were after. So if you have a product where you can do before and after testimonials, that's probably one of the most powerful selling methods that you can utilize for your store. Then shop the kit, etc. All these different products that they have. Super clean look, super clean website, very informative, super easy to navigate. Simplicity is key. They're congruent with their store, they're congruent with their social media. Everything portrays the same brand message, and also everything aligns together, and that is super important for branding. Then you got an awesome looking product page. Then you got the reviews from Trustpilot, small little additional products to add to your cart to increase the average order value, key ingredients, how it works, money back guarantee. Guarantees are very key, especially with online shopping. No one wants to buy from your store if you do not offer some kind of a guarantee. And if you add it to the cart, you're greeted by a few little cheeky upsells, -2, +2. You're €5 away from shipping. That could increase your shipping rate, so more people would add the product to your shipping, but I usually like to go with free shipping. And if we also browse their social media, also a very powerful platform for them. They have a blue check mark, huge selling point right there. 1.3 million followers, so obviously they're a huge social media channel. Everything is optimized. They have the pink color, they have the white color, some memes every now and then, some product photos. They obviously work with a few influencers and a lot of custom created content. They also utilize micro influencers very well. Hismile breath spray meme, a little meme here. Everything is pink, white, same color fonts. They use memes very well, and they adopt to pop culture, which is actually super awesome, and I think something you guys should start adopting, and also including if you are moving towards the brand building aspect. And the easiest way to start doing that is by starting now. A huge thing that they've done very successfully is actually making their content and their products and the custom packaging look Instagram worthy. People actually want to share their experience and want to brag in some shape or form and post it on Instagram, therefore always ensuring that you got custom content coming in, and that's also a huge benefit, a huge selling point, and great custom content. You don't have to produce content anymore if your followers are creating content for you, which is awesome. And now with the social media platform TikTok rising, make something TikTok worthy, if that's an established term yet. And if we take a look at their ad library, they run tons of different ads, roughly 410 different ads across their Facebook ads manager. We can browse those by taking a look at the Facebook ads library and then transparency. And all these different ads are very fast paced. They're all very congruent. They show off different elements. They're really showing off mainly good looking females, because that's the main demographic. Everyone loves seeing good looking females. They're also utilizing the fact that they're in the dental niche, and they're approaching this from the medical standpoint that a dentist actually approves this, which is a huge selling point. Again, I know I've said huge selling point a few times, but it's true. You've got simple image ads, also work very well, and just a lot of good looking people showing off their very clean white teeth. They also have tons of different marketing campaigns with ginormous influencers such as Emily Ratajkowski, Kendall Jenner, I've already mentioned that, and multiple others to speak in their behalf. And obviously that's a huge favor, ensuring in a lot more sales by having social media influencers representing your brand, because everyone wants to be like them or just have somewhat of a connection to them. So to sum it up one more time for you guys, what can we actually do to elevate our normal dropshipping business to actually an established brand that racks in multiple 7-8 figures like these guys is the following. Number one, they have a very clean, congruent store layout, making it very easy for the consumer to navigate through their site, even though they're a first-time customer. They have tons of testimonials with the before and after pictures, very powerful method of adding additional social proof. Speaking of social proof, they also have tons of different followers, lots of people actually advocating their products, lots of reviews, lots of testimonials, Trustpilot reviews. This always helps you boost your conversion rate and establishes trust to an unknown customer to this predetermined brand. Now, I know you're probably not going to be able to achieve these hundreds and thousands of followers at first, but it all starts somewhere. These guys started at ground zero as well. They also work with big influencers, allowing their brand image to grow and to go beyond just paid advertisements, and also leveraging this massive successful ad campaign and ad strategy by utilizing big time social media influencers. The new trend would be probably TikTokers. A few more things that they've done insanely well is they've backed this type of product by doctors, as you could see in the previous ad that we checked out, and you can also see that on a few passages of their website that it is actually approved by doctors, by dentists, so that there's no flaws there. I also really like the email sequence and the email experience we get as consumers, that not every dropshipping brand goes the extra step to do this, but it does help a lot with customers when actually purchasing for the first time from this given brand. And that leads me on to the very last product. Once you receive the product, you're super curious, you want to open it, you have custom packaging, it's not a broken, messed up package that you would get from AliExpress. They have their logo branded on. It's a real experience to unbox it, and you maybe even want to share it like I did. And that's a massive benefit because they're banking on the customer experience. The customer comes first, us as a brand comes second, and then the money will follow. Once we have a good reputation, have built on great customer experience, people have really enjoyed purchasing from our brand and they want to do this again. They also mention it to their friends, and this is how we accumulate 300,000 monthly visits or even higher, such as movement watches or Hismileteeth, by also utilizing organic traffic, and this can only be done by establishing a brand. In the end, we want to make our products Instagrammable and nowadays TikTok worthy, so people really want to brag with the custom packaging, with the product that they've actually purchased from our site. And that is the way to move on from a normal dropshipping brand to actually make multiple millions per year and build an actual asset that you can sell on in the future. So I think we still have a lot to learn from these type of brands, and hopefully I'll see one of you guys also selling one of these big time brands. So in conclusion, we still have a lot to learn from these type of big time brands, and I really like seeing what they're doing. What can I implement to my small dropshipping business? How can I start moving towards that direction? But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and also let me know, do you guys like this new video style? I've been trying out a little bit of a different video style to my previous videos. Let me know down below if you do enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.